Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can re-verify your people per hour account. Well, after a long time, when I tried to log into my people per hour account today, it asked me to re-verify my account. And it's because the credentials of my account got expired for remaining inactive on the platform for a long time. So to re-verify the account, open the browser and go to people per hour platform by searching it. And then click on login. Here, when you add your credentials to log into your account, it says credentials have expired due to inactivity. Please re-verify your account. So to re-verify it, click on re-verify your account. And then they will ask you to provide your email address so that they can send you instructions to reinstate your account. And then click on reinstate account after clicking on the CAPTCHA checkbox. Now check your emails and click on the provided link, or just copy and paste this link on your browser. Here, add your new password on both the provided fields and then click on Save Password. Now add your new credentials and click on Login. And here you can see that your account has been reinstated after re-verifying your login credentials. Now you can start searching projects you think you are a good fit for and apply. And this is how you can re-verify your people per hour account. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.